Morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, all of you. Please sit down. Okay, my dears, as usual, we are going to start with a game. Okay, today we are going to play a new game. Very interesting game. I'm sure all of you will like this game. Okay, now all of you listen me. I am going to explain how we are going to play this game. Listen me very carefully. Okay, dears. I have some pictures with me. These are some pictures. I want to show it to you now. I will show you it later. Now I want to show it to you. Okay, dears. Listen me. I will ask a question about this picture. Then all of you look at this picture and say the answer. The answer should be this picture. Your answer should be this picture. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Now I am going to show you the picture. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, dears. Here is my question. All of you should answer the question in full sentence. Your answer should be this picture. Okay. This is the picture. Okay. Okay. I am going to ask the question. All of you together answer me. Okay. Here is my question. Which sweet do you want? Which sweet do you want? Okay, come on. All of you say the answer together. Very good. Like that. But to listen my question, answer that question. Okay. Okay. Which sweet do you want? Come on, answer me. Look at this picture and answer me. See ya. Don't say in single word. Okay. Who will answer me? Nikhila, you answer me. Which sweet do you want?
I want laddu.
Very good. All of you say? Okay. Nafila, which sweets do you want?
I want laddu.
Okay, very good. Hamdan, which sweet do you want?
I want laddu.
Okay. Arav.
I want laddu.
Okay. Sarah. Aisha.
I want laddu.
Parvana.
I want laddu. I want laddu. I want laddu. I want laddu. I want laddu.
Shifan.
I want laddu.
Okay, see ya. Now you sit. Come on. Okay. Which sweet do you want? Come on. Very good. Now I am going to show you the second picture. All of you listen my question very carefully. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here is my second question. Okay, all of you look at this picture. Hey, don't say anything. Look at this picture carefully. I am going to ask the question. Okay, here is my next question. All of you look at this picture. Shifa, this is our picture. Okay. Here is the question. Which color shirt do you want? Okay. Listen me. I am going to ask the question once again. Which color shirt do you want? Okay. Who will answer me? Abdullah, you answer me.
I want yellow color shirt.
Very good. Atika.
I want yellow color shirt.
Very good. Shifa.
I want yellow shirt.
Yellow color shirt. Okay. Nafila.
I want yellow color shirt.
Sia.
I want yellow color shirt.
Aisha.
I want yellow color shirt.
Sarah, yellow color shirt.
I want yellow color shirt. I want yellow color shirt. I want yellow color shirt. I want yellow color shirt. I want yellow color shirt. I want yellow color shirt.
Fadi.
I want yellow color shirt.
Okay.
I want yellow color shirt.
Okay, very good. Shifan.
I want yellow color shirt.
Okay, now I am going to show you the next picture. Are you ready? Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Look at this picture very carefully. This is our picture. Okay? Okay, here is my question. Listen me carefully. You have to answer the question. Your answer should be this picture. You have to say the answer in full sentence.
Okay.
Don't say in single word. Okay, here is my question. Listen me. Which is your favorite bird? Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, don't say the answer together. I will ask one of you. Okay, Nikhila, you tell. Which is your favorite bird?
I
Which is your favorite bird? Don't say. Which is your favorite bird? Come on, tell me. Tell me the answer. Okay, who will tell me? Arav, you tell me the answer. Very good. All of you say the answer? Okay, Nikhila, you tell me. My favorite bird is? Okay, all of you say it once again. Okay, very good. Now I am going to show you the. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. Don't say its name. Don't say its name. I think all of you know the name of this flower. Okay? Okay, all of you look at this picture. This is our picture. Okay, now I am going to ask you the question. Listen me very carefully. Which flower do you want? Hey, your answer should be this picture. You should say in full sentence. Don't say in single word. Which flower do you want? That's my question. Okay, I will ask one of you. I will ask one of you. Who will say the answer? Hamdan, you tell me the answer. Which flower do you want? Say in full sentence. Do you know its name? Do you know this flower's name? Okay, come on, tell me. Which flower do you want? Come on. Okay, then. Nida, you tell me. I want lotus. Okay, Hamdan, you say the answer. Okay, all of you say the answer. Okay, very good, Sia. Which flower do you want? Okay. Nikhila, which flower do you want? Atika, which flower do you want? Parvana, which flower do you want? Sia, which flower do you want? Shifa, which flower do you want? Very good. Fadi, which flower do you want? Shifan, which flower do you want? Sahara, which flower do you want? Arav, which flower do you want? Aisha, which flower do you want? Abdullah, which flower do you want? Okay, Nafila, which flower do you want? Okay, very good. Now I am going to show you the next question. Next picture, okay? Okay, all of you look at this picture very carefully. Don't say the answer. Look at this picture. Don't say anything. Look at this picture. Okay. Okay. This is our picture. Okay. Okay. This is the picture of our school. This is the photo of our school. Okay, listen. All of you listen my question. You should answer the question. The answer should be this picture. You have to answer in full sentence. Don't say in single word. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, all of you listen my question. In which school are you studying? That's my question. In which school are you studying? That's my question. Who can answer me? Oh, Parvana, you. I am studying at Alangod Central LP School. Okay, all of you say the answer together. Okay, dears. Now I am going to show you the next picture. Okay. Now all of you listen me. I am going to ask you the question. Are you ready? Yes. Shifa, are you ready? Okay. What do you want for your breakfast? What do you want for your breakfast? Hey, don't say the answer. What do you want for your breakfast? The answer should be this picture. You have to say in full sentence. Don't say the answer in a single word. What do you want for your breakfast? Breakfast means morning food. What do you want for your? Who is ready to answer? Anafla. I want dosa for my breakfast. All of you say the answer together. You say the answer.
I want dosa for my breakfast.
Very good. Well done, Abdullah. All of you say the answer. Okay. Savara, you say the answer. For my breakfast. Nigla, you answer me. For my breakfast. Okay. Now I am going to show you the next picture. Last picture. Okay. This is the last picture. All of you look at this picture. Don't say anything. All of you look at this picture. This is our picture. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready to hear question? Okay, here is my question. Listen me carefully. What do you want for your dinner? What do you want for your dinner? Aisha, you say.
I want a tiger.
For my dinner. Aisha wants tiger for her dinner. Really? Aisha, run. Otherwise the tiger will... Aisha, listen. Otherwise the tiger will make you its dinner. Come on, run. Come on, let's run. Otherwise the tiger will make you for your dinner, for its dinner. Okay, yes. This is our game. Is it interesting? Was it interesting? Did you enjoy the game? Yes, very good.